Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team per Lemon. Today we'll learn how to update the image alt tags in bulk using the file name. So let's find the plugin. Type here image alt file name. Install this plugin. Click activate. Click on the setting. Here you can configure the plugin. You can decide whether you want to set image title for new uploads only, set image alt text and title and caption and descriptions. You want to remove the hyphens from the file name, underscores, comma, or also you want to remove the numbers. So here you can use this bulk updater. You can run the bulk updater or test the updater to update the images. For example, I have 105 images and I want to update the image alt tags using the file name. So simply just click on the run bulk updater. Thank you.